Philadelphia school teachers are showing that they're still against returning to the classroom on Monday. Members of Our City, Our Schools, a coalition of parents, advocates, and educators, held a virtual rally yesterday. They're all voicing their opposition to sending kids back to school on Monday. New CDC guidelines for reopening schools prioritize mask wearing as well as physical distancing, and they consider the amount of coronavirus spread in communities. But public health experts say teachers don't need to be vaccinated to reopen schools.
Vaccines need to be widely available, like for people to be going back into these schools. There needs to be proper ventilation in the buildings.
We are asking the school district of Philadelphia to slow down so that people don't die.
The district says they've already implemented CDC guidelines as well as added ventilation in classrooms. Both sides are still working with a third-party mediator to see if class will be in session in person next week. The CDC laid out this new color-coded system to help school districts figure out when they can reopen. In the blue and yellow areas with low to moderate COVID transmission, schools are encouraged to fully open. But in red zones where transmission is high, elementary schools should be hybrid. Middle and high school students should stay virtual if there is no regular testing. All right, as the debate goes back and forth about in-person versus remote learning, a new study shows one may be better than the other for students' mental health.
Yeah, researchers found that virtual students are more stressed than their peers in the classroom. The study was done by NBC News and the nonprofit Challenge Success. It surveyed 10,000 students in 12 high schools. Over half of them said they were more stressed about school in 2020 than they had been previously. But it was more pronounced among remote students. 84% of all remote students reported exhaustion, headaches, insomnia, and stress. It dropped to 82% for students on hybrid models and 78% for students in the classroom full-time.
The lineup is streaming now on the free NBC10 app on Roku and Apple TV. Download the app today to watch.